Greetings everyone. Today I am here with my another subject, and that is English as a second language. It means ESL. Now in this subject I am going to teach you daily scripts. Let me clear you the meaning of daily scripts first. What does it mean? Daily, the sentences, scripts, the sentences that we use daily in our life, either with our family members, relatives, siblings, teachers, colleagues, friends. These are the sentences, step by step we will learn, and we are using these sentences daily in our life. Only the difference is this that we are using these sentences now in Hindi, but if you want to learn these sentences in English, then we have to learn these sentences and with some new ways. Suppose very first word, that is greetings. What does it mean? Instead of wishing good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, what can we wish? Greetings. What can we say? Greetings mama, greetings ma'am, greetings sir, greetings papa. It means we are wishing at any time. It doesn't matter that whether it is morning, afternoon, evening. Instead of all these words, what can we say? Greetings. Greetings ma'am. Suppose if your teacher enters in the class and obviously you will stand and wish her. So how will you wish? Greetings ma'am, glad to see you. Greetings ma'am, glad to see you. Glad means happy. Glad means happy. Whenever your teacher enters in the class, or if you are meeting someone, or if you met someone suddenly, how will you wish? Greetings ma'am, glad to see you. Or if you met someone, if you met your friend, hello, greetings, how are you? In this way you can wish, hello, how are you? Glad to see you. Greetings, glad to see you. Understood? Is this first point clear to everyone? जब भी आपको किसी को विश करना हो और ये बोलना हो कि मुझे आपको देखकर बहुत अच्छा लगा, then how will you wish? Greetings, glad to see you. Is it clear up to here? Now let's come on our second point, that is how are you? This is are. How are you? It's not are. How are you? R-E is somewhat silent in this. How are you? It's not like this. How are you? It's like this. How are you? Or what about you? Understood? Next is, if you want to reply someone that I am absolutely fit and fine. अगर आपको किसी को बोलना है कि मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ, then instead of saying this thing that I am fine, yeah, I am good, what you can say? I am alive and kicking. What does alive mean? It means जिंदा. क्या मतलब होता है alive का? जिंदा. Kicking. In which situation will you kick something? If you are absolutely fit and fine, it's not like that your leg is fractured and you are trying to kick the ball. Can you? No. जब आप बिल्कुल fit and fine होंगे, उसी situation में आप क्या बोलेंगे? Instead of saying I am good या I am fit and fine बोलने की बजाय आप क्या नई चीज बोल सकते हैं? I am alive and kicking. Now our fourth point, I am under the weather. Here we have done when we are fine. Obviously this sentence is related if we are not fine, if we are suffering from fever, or we are having headache, or we are having stomach ache or something, then instead of saying I have headache, I am suffering from fever, what can you say? I am under the weather. I repeat, I am under the weather. It means you are sick. It means you are sick. You are ill. You are not well. Got my point? Next is, suppose you are sitting in the class, or your friend is going here and there again and again. You are sitting in the class and your friend is going here and there again and again, and you want to ask him कि तुम अगर आपका कोई फ्रेंड इधर उधर घूम रहा है या कोई भी आपको इधर उधर घूमता दिखाई दे रहा है तो आपको क्या बोलना है उनको, क्या बोलेंगे उनको इंग्लिश में हम? Why are you dawdling? Going here and there means dawdling. What will you say? Why are you dawdling? Understood? Next is, as you all know that now online classes are going on and your teachers are continuously preparing videos for you and sending videos to you. Suppose if you like any of the video of any of the teacher and you want to praise him or her, अगर आपको किसी टीचर की वीडियो पसंद आती है, आपको उनका पढ़ाने का तरीका अच्छा लगता है, यू लाइक द वे ऑफ टीचिंग और समथिंग क्रिएटिव इन दैट वीडियो, देन हाउ विल यू प्रेज योर टीचर? अगर आपको ये बोलना हो कि मैडम वीडियो बहुत अच्छी थी, सर वीडियो बहुत अच्छी थी, देन व्हाट विल यू से? दिस वीडियो इज mesmerizing. What will you say? This video is mesmerizing. I repeat, this video is mesmerizing. Now our last point of today's is, if someone comes from outside or if anybody doesn't know, if someone doesn't know that whose lecture is this, और वो पूछना चाहता है कि ये लेक्चर किसका है तुम्हारी क्लास में, if any teacher asks or any students ask from you, instead of saying कि किसका लेक्चर है या किसका पीरियड है, आप क्या बोल सकते हैं? What can you say? Whose lecture is this? What can you say or what can you ask? Whose lecture is this? Again, whose lecture is this? These are the sentences that you can use daily in your life, either with your teacher, parents, siblings, any of the family member, depends on the situation. Okay? So this is all from my side. It's over. If you face any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.